My name is Ibrahim Khairullah. Now I am live Medina, Manwara. I'm working Al Ajmi construction company, healthcare provider, oil and gas, remote area, medical service. This ambulance plate number 1361 SDB. This is short spinal board. This is adult spinal board. This is scope extractor. This extractor have a two lock. Some patient have a bone fracture. His patient not moving. You use this extractor. This is bed extractor. This is BP checking machine. The normal BP 120/80. First aid box. This box first aid medicine only provide. This is suction machine. This suction machine connecting this tube. There's some patient coming be vomiting, and you clean the airway. This tube. This is AED, external automatic external defibrillator. This machine use the patient cardiologist problem. No have a pulse, no have a oxygen. After you use this machine, the electric short, the heart the patient. This patient the back have a backside two pad. This one use here and one use here. This battery connecting. After this machine you use. This is oxygen cylinder. The patient coming breathing difficulty. Open this valve here. After here oxygen meter coming the oxygen. After you open this lock also. After you use the mask, the give a oxygen the patient. This is emergency medical materials all there. This is emergency response bag. This is Ancones used for patient pain relief. The pain relief only. This cylinder have a here one have a lock. First you lock open. After you connecting this 5 here. After you use the marks. Okay, it's 5, and you connecting this one also. This is marks and connecting here. After you give the patient the here like that. This is oxygen, the small oxygen cylinder. You like that you connecting this 5 here. After you connecting this two side here. After you connecting this one also. Okay, one by after you connect this one. This oxygen use breathing difficulty, and you take this oxygen some site you not take this big, now you take this small, the hand, after you use this patient. This is cervical collar used do for the cervical injury. This is the Kendrick's structural device. You use this one, the motorcycle, this one motorcycle collision, car accident, use like that here and straight fully. This is the air compressor. You use the air, the foot, the tire. This is pulse oximeter. Have a two side, saturation and heartbeat. Normally heartbeat 72/100 or 90/100. Oxygen 92/100. This is fire extinguisher.